Sa araw na ito mga ka-B-Life, samahan nyo kami ng aking OBR sa aming ride patungong Dinadjawan. Sa episode na ito ay magsiswimming tayo sa beach dito sa Sand and Stars at madidiscover natin ang ganda ng Baol Falls. So ano pang hinintay nyo? Samahan nyo kami!
Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only takers. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you?
Alright, good morning. So dapat 5 AM kami aalis pero 5:30 na. Ayan o, si OBR natin, si Mrs. Ready na. So dinadjawan kami ngayon. Then tignan natin kung saan ba tayo pwedeng pumunta. So sige, larga na kami. Dahil hindi namin natansya yung laki ng bag, ayusin muna namin dito. Nasa Kawayan pa lang kami. Hindi ko rin na set up na maayos yung side mirror. Wala akong makita. So yun, stop muna tayo dito sa may Shell para mag-ayos konti. Boss, pangin ako. Yeah. 29.33. 29 yung harap. So para lang sure, punta muna tayong vulcanizing shop at mukhang hindi na timpla ni kuya ng maayos. So ito po no, may sealant daw po kasi, tapos hindi ko ba alam bakit hindi kayang tumbukin nung air and water nung gasoline shop yung gulong ko na may sealant. Hindi makapasok yung hangin, pero sige. Ayun, vulcanizing. Sarado pa. Hanap na lang tayo. Bali paalis pa lang tayo ng Kawayan no. Yung plano na 5 AM naging 6 AM. Pero ganun talaga ang buhay. Parang life. Diba may wala pa pong bukas na vulcanizing no, para ma-check sana namin. Bali baka bandang Quirino or Etxague na, sana lang walang maging aberya sa gulong. Pero since tong highway hindi naman ganong malubak or wala talagang lubak, siguro naman wala to. Okay, Alicia na po tayo. Wala pa rin akong mahanap na gasoline. Wala pa rin akong mahanap na vulcanizing shop. There. So ayan o, Etxague! Yay! So ang ending, wala kaming nahanap hanggang sa makarating na lang kami dito sa Riverview. So kain na lang muna kami, then hopefully makahanap kami ng vulcanizing shop along the way.
Ito.
Bali yung specialty nila rito is yung adobong hito nila. 100 pesos lang to, 2 piraso na. Pili ka kung anong combination ng ulo, gitna, tsaka buntot. Panalo talaga to, hindi kami nagsasawa rito, kaya dito lagi yung stopover namin. Basta ang destination namin is around Dinadjawan or Quirino. Yung mga yan, along the way lang kasi to. Okay, tapos na kami kumain ng breakfast. Diretso na kami. Daan lang kami ng vulcanizing na mahanap namin yung unang bukas. Tapos dire-diretso na kami ng Dinadjawan.
Sometimes we yell when we're sad, and sometimes we laugh when we're afraid.
And we're back on the road. Kasunod po natin si Rodito Truck. Mag-outing po sila no. Usong-uso dito sa probinsya. Gagamitin yung truck na pang probinsya talaga para mag-outing. Bay pang general use naman yan. Nakakatuwa lang po no. Uy, tayo na. Someday. Ayan po no, tignan natin kung kakayanin tong paahon na to sa biyahe mula Isabela to Dinadjawan, pagdadaan ka ng Jones at dito sa San Agustin, ito yung pinakamatarik. At yan po no, nawawala tayo ng buwelo. Teka muna ng vulcanizing. Ito vulcanizing. So sakto yan yung likuan. Pre, may pansukat kayo ng hangin? Saan?
You'll be just fine.
29.33 para sure. Right, we're good. Oh. Alright, nakapagpa-vulcanize na po tayo. So, confident na ako ngayon na okay yung kondisyon ng gulong natin. Dito tayo dumaan sa may shortcut. Dito sa may part pa yata to ng San Agustin kung di ako nagkakamali. So, iiwasan na natin yung Madela Quirino tsaka yung matarik na daan dun. So, ang salpot natin ito is dun na sa may crossing. Dun sa may tulay. Hindi ko sure yung pangalan nun. Pero mas madali dito tsaka mas scenic yung route dito.
You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Ooh, 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 yeah.
Oh, shit. Nice, ang ganda.
Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Just do it.
Okay, hanap muna namin tanghalian. Sobrang init. Tapos yung aircon is 1 pa daw. Pero buti pinayagan kami mag early check-in. Balik tayo dun o dito tayo? Papunta na ng Balerto. Wala kasing signal eh. Sige, adventure time tayo. Hindi ko na alam kung saan banda si J4 nagpunta, kung pa ganito o pa ganun eh. Okay. Hindi po namin alam yung pupuntahan namin. Pero ito papunta to ng Baler, sigurado ako. Okay, tapos na po tayong kumain. Nagdikit din tayo doon ng sticker. Babalik na sana kami sa resort. Ang kaso, walang signal doon na kailangan naming mag-update. So, ito, forward daw kami konti doon, lampas ng Sand and Stars. Meron daw signal. Galaw ko pa yung camera, no? Meron daw signal doon, so forward na lang muna kami sa tabi ng dagat para chill-chill na rin doon.
I found a friend. Come here, come here.
That's my friend. She's my friend.
Hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Dyan lang. Hanap ng dinner kasi wala daw dinner dito eh.
Ang dinner dito, so
Yeah.
sa labas tayo. Let's go! Oh! Oh, ang sarap.
Ba't saya? Yung pangarap ko, nagpupunta tayo sa tabi dagat.
It's not fair.
Gago, di ko na nga binanggit ito naman.
Did your time.
Masasabi mo, sir? Good. Chill. Sabay ba tayo?
Chill lang, chill lang.
Chill lang. Basic. The
It'll be alright.
moon.
I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your
Alright, it's 5 a.m. Try namin magabang ng sunrise ngayon. Sana dito sumikat. Kung saan man siya sisikat. So, bukan natin yan. Tapos, mas okay maligo ngayon. Kahapon, hindi ako nagpalipad ng drone. Tapos, hindi kami naligo. Kasi, pag dapit hapon pala dito, medyo makulimlim. So, hindi maganda yung tama nung lighting dun sa dagat. Hindi siya bluish. So, ngayon, tignan natin kung bluish. Pero, regardless, magpapalipad tayo ng drone. Tapos, bali, mas marami tayong activity sa dagat ngayon. So, yan. Tapos, uwi na rin kami. Pero depende, baka mag-extend pa kami pag nag-enjoy kami. So, sige!
Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers lovers, only takers. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, know when to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, always such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes. You'll be just fine. You'll be just fine.
Tayo pupunta. Balik tayo kay
Sun and Stars.
Ate Tess. Sakay muna ako. Wait lang. Yes. Let's go, Tol.
So ayun no, dito pa rin kami kay Tita Tess kasi nagustuhan namin yung sisig.
Breakfast. Sisig again. Nalo ko na. And beef man. It's beef man. Tubig na lang may pala.
You'll be just
So, ito po yung Baul Falls. Let's go! It's a rough road. Rough road.
Ganito ginawa talaga si Primo. Baka nakakalimutan mo. Mas built pa tayo for rough road kaysa sa kanila. Grabe yung tumutunog, no? Oh?
Sa box kasi. Minutes walk.
Oo. Papunta pa balik. So 30 minutes. Depende ba sa bilis mo maglakad. Paano mo maglakad eh. Kaya, thank you. Tayo, pwede nang tumuloy? Ako lang. Kami lang. Iba, di namin sila kasama. May guide naman doon tayo. Magkano guide?
Hindi ko lang po alam kung magka. Kailangan ko ba ng guide?
Oo, baka mawala kami.
May guide kayo, may guide.
Okay lang po.
Okay lang, basta hindi kami
Teka lang po,
mawawala.
itatanong ko.
Sige.
Sige po.
Kaya nagtataka ako. Hindi ka ba doon?
So, kinuha na namin si Kuya na guide papunta dun sa falls. Kasi kung wala kayong dalang motor o kaya sasakyan, meron pa itong short trail na to. Now, pagdating nyo dun is meron pang 15 minutes na walk papunta dun sa mismong falls. So, kailangan talaga ng guide unless sobrang adventurous nyo, pwede namang hindi na.
Ay, oh my God. Kaya rin pa.
close your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest.
Diretso.
I know you've had a really bad day. But I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul. Hold my hand. Don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts. It wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Nabalik na po kami. Okay na ba tayo? May solve na.
Sorry, backball. Alright, pauwi na po kami. Solid naman. So, first day, tambay lang sa dagat hanggang gabi. Then, trinay namin yung mga resto dito. Nagustuhan namin dun kay Tita Tess. Panalo dun. Salamat J4. Tapos nagdikit din tayo ng sticker. Nung gabi, tumambay lang din kami, muni-muni dun sa harap ng dagat. Tapos nung early morning, dun kami nag-swimming sa beach. And then nung before kami mag-check out, sumaglit kami dun sa Baul Falls. Enjoy kami dun, sobrang lamig ng tubig. Tapos nung simula kami lang, may dumating pero mag-isa niya lang din. Pero enjoy na enjoy talaga namin dun. So ito, pauwi kami. Bali, nasa 4 to 5 hours din to na motorcycle ride hanggang sa amin. So hanggang sa muli, samahan nyo ulit kami sa adventures namin. And this is Boar Life signing out.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.